all I had for treatment. She texted me and I'm like, I don't have any treats, so you guys can have a ginger snap. While I tell you why you guys are here. Do you remember a couple months ago, like back in July, when Skylar sent us a card to Indiana?
Yeah.
Do you remember what you put in that?
$12?
Yeah. Do you remember what you were saving that for?
Justin Bieber.
I know. Well, I was in contact with Disney, and I got you tickets to go see Justin Bieber for you and your mom, and backstage passes.
No kidding.
Yep. So tomorrow, you and your mom and I and the kids are going to go and pick them up, and you're going to meet the guy that owns the entire venue, the Epicenter.
What?
You okay?